In today's video, I'll show you the best method to change your Canva website URL. Whether you're rebranding or just want a cleaner link, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your Canva screen. Click the small gear icon. That's your settings. Inside settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Web Domains. This section is where you manage and edit your connected web addresses. Next, click on View Domains. Here you'll see a list of all the domains linked to your Canva account. Basically, your digital portfolio of websites. Now, find the domain you want to update. On the right-hand side, click the Edit button. This opens up the editing panel for your website's URL. Type in your new desired URL. Make sure it aligns with your branding or the project you're publishing. A clear, simple web address makes your site easier to share. Once you're happy with the new address, click the Save button. This confirms your edits and updates your Canva website link. Always test your new URL. Open it in a browser to make sure everything loads correctly and the change has taken effect. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Canva website URL using the best method. It's a simple tweak, but one that makes a big difference in how you present your projects online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks.